When is it time to find a new MSP? Most people don't wake up one morning and decide they need a new provider. It usually starts with a feeling that something just isn't working the way it should. One of the first signs that you're not with the right MSP anymore is when problems keep repeating. If the same issues come up again and again, or fixes feel temporary instead of permanent, that's usually a sign that your provider is reacting instead of actually managing your environment. Over time, that gets exhausting. Another big indicator is communication. If you're waiting too long for responses, or not getting clear answers, or feeling like you have to chase updates, that's not normal. A good MSP should make things easier, not add more uncertainty. You should understand what's happening with your systems without needing a technical background or constant follow-ups. Security is another area where gaps become obvious over time. Your MSP should be actively thinking about risk, changes and threats, and how your business is evolving. If security only comes up after something goes wrong, or if you're not sure what protections are even in place, that's a sign the relationship may not be serving you well anymore. So what should you actually look for in an MSP if you start exploring other options? The right provider should feel like a partner, not just a help desk. They should take time to understand how your business operates, explain things in plain language, and be proactive about improvements instead of waiting for things to break. You should feel comfortable asking questions and confident that the answers you're getting are thoughtful and honest. Fit matters just as much as technical skill. An MSP can be technically capable and still be a poor match for your business. The right fit is one where communication feels natural, expectations are clear, and the provider adapts as your business grows or changes. You shouldn't feel like you've outgrown them or that you're being forced into a one-size-fits-all approach. If you're spending more time worrying about your IT than focusing on running your business, that's usually the clearest signal of all. At that point, it's not about blame. It's simply about recognizing that your needs have changed and it might be time to find a provider that better aligns with where you are now. Try finding a provider with over 200 reviews and a 4.9 rating on Google. Wait, that sounds like HRCT. Our goal is simple. We make sure that your technology works the way it should, stays secure, and supports your business instead of getting in the way.